Hi guys, so for this video I'm using yarn in two different colors. The yarn is in size 4 medium and the crochet hook is in size 5 millimeters. So I'll start by making a slip knot and then I will chain 35. So now that we have chained 35, on the fourth chain from the hook I'll make one double crochet. Through the next chain I'll make one double crochet. Through the next chain one double crochet. Through the next chain one double crochet. So I'll continue making one double crochet through each chain throughout row 1. So now that we are at the end of row 1, we should have 33 double crochets in total. Now I'll chain 1, then I'll cut this yarn. So this completes row 1. Now for row 2, I'll start by making a slip knot again, then I'll turn my work around. Now right here through this first chain, you see, right there through that first loop, see, well, first chain, but through this back loop, I insert my hook, then I insert knot through a slip knot loop and pull through. I'll chain 3, then through this next chain, right there through that back loop, I'll make one double crochet. Through the next chain, right there through that back loop, I'll make one double crochet. Through the next chain, through the back loop, see right here, one double crochet. Through the back loop of the next chain, one double crochet. Through the back loop of the next chain, one double crochet. So we repeat this throughout row 2. We just continue making one back loop double crochet through each chain, and of course by the end of row 2 again we should have 33 back loop double crochets in total. Now that we are at the end of row 2, I'll chain 1, then I'll cut this yarn. So now for row 3 I'll turn my work around, then again right here through this first chain, right there through the back loop of that first chain, I insert my hook, then I insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. I'll chain 3, then through the next loop, right through the chain, the back. Now again through this next chain, right through the back loop, I'll make one double crochet. Again through the next loop. Again through the next back loop of the next chain, I'll make one double crochet. Through the next back loop of this next chain, I'll make one double crochet. Through the next back loop of the next chain, one double crochet. Through the back loop of the next chain, one double crochet. So for row 3 we are repeating row 2. So for the pattern we repeat row 2, and we repeat row 2 until our work reaches our desired length. In my case here, let me see how many rows I have completed. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So by now our work is 7 inches long and almost 10 inches, between 9.5 to 10 inches long. But don't let that discourage you, because it will get smaller than 10 inches, I believe. So now you see where we ended this row. So now with the yarn needle we're gonna try to close this side here, and this is the part that will cover our toes. And now that we have closed this loop, we're gonna go right here. We're gonna join these two sides together. We don't know exactly for how long we're going to do that, but we're gonna keep trying the slipper on, and we measure it on our foot because it's different from person to person. I think I'm gonna end it here. So let's measure this. So we have 5 inches so far. The closing was 5 inches long. Now right here it's going to be a heel area. We'll close these two sides together as well. We'll leave this opening right here to slide our foot in. Oops, I didn't mean to do. I meant to join a different way, but it's okay. We can just do it this way this time. That's so weird. I was daydreaming, and then I realized that I was like, uh-oh, I'm done. I guess it's just meant to happen this way. Alright, let's just weave these ends in. Make a knot. And then I will cut this yarn. Well, now at this point, I'm going to turn my slipper inside out. And now you can just wear it as it is. But because I have some similar ones I did in the previous row, I think I'm gonna do, I don't know if I should make a, I don't know if I should use just like a pattern or just double crochets. I'm not sure, but let's just use this brown yarn and start right here at the back of the slipper. I insert the hook right there, and I insert my hook through the slip knot loop and pull through. Then I'll chain 3. Then through that same loop I'll make 2 double crochet. Now I'll skip the next 3 double crochet chains, and through this loop between double crochet 3 and 4 I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 3. Through that same loop I'll make 2 double crochet. I'll skip the next 3 double crochets, and right here through this loop between double crochet 3 and 4 I'll make 1 single crochet. Again I'll chain 3. Then through that same loop I'll make 2 double crochet. Again I'll skip the next 3 double crochets, and between the double crochet 3 and 4 I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 3. Through that same loop I'll make 2 double crochet. I'll skip the next 3 double crochets, then right here through this loop between double crochet 3 and 4 I'll make 1 single crochet. Again I'll chain 3, then through the same loop I'll make 2 double crochet. Skip the, wait. Right here through the center now, I'll skip these next 3 double crochets, and right here through the center I'll make 1 single crochet. Again I'll chain 3, then through the same loop I'll make 2 double crochet. I'll skip the next 3 double crochets, and through this double crochet 3 and 4 I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 3. Through the same loop I'll make 2 double crochet. I'll skip the next 3 double crochets, and right here between double crochet 3 and 4 I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 3. Through the same loop I'll make 2 double crochet. I'll skip the next 3 double crochets, then between double crochet 3 and 4 I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 3. Through that same loop I'll make 2 double crochet. I'll skip the next 3 double crochets, and between double crochet 3 and 4 I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 3. Through the same loop I'll make 2 double crochet. I'll skip the next 3 double crochets, and right here through this loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Again I'll chain 3. Through that same loop I'll make 2 double crochet. Now again I'll skip these next 3 double crochets, and right here where we have started, beginning of this row, I'll make a slip stitch. Then I'll chain 1 and I'll cut this yarn. Now all we have to do is weave our ends in and we will be done. I think this is gonna look nice. Also, if you want to make this larger or shorter, in the beginning when you make a foundation chain, just measure it on your foot, on the sole I believe is pronounced, of your foot, and then continue from there. Just the pattern will be the same, just just a smaller size. Same if you want to make it larger, just make more chains. We are done. We are done. Now let's see how it actually looks. All right. Pretty good. Oh, yeah, this is very nice. This one is a bit stretchy, so I think to fit sizes 9 through 11. 9 through 11. Oh my goodness. But, as I said earlier, if you want to make them for yourself and you want them in a smaller size, just make less chains. But it really looks nice. I like it. So this is all for today, guys, and I'll see you next time with another video.